Hello everyone, this is Jaidasan. Today I am going to show you how to clean up your junk file and make your PC fast via run command. So here we start. At first go to the Windows search option, then type run. Now click on the run option. Now type %temp%, then press OK button. Here you can see there are lots of junk file. Now select those file and delete it. Again go to the window run option. Already I have created a shortcut run option. If you want to do this on your computer, please check out my last videos. Again type resend. Now press OK. Now select those file and delete it. Now simply type prefetch. Press the OK button. After that you need to permission. Click continue. Now select all the file, then delete it. And the last one, simply type temp. Press the OK button. Now select all the junk file and delete it. Don't worry, there are some file never deleted. After that skip it and close all the tab. So friends, in this way we can make our PC faster than before. By the way, in the description section I will left all the command. You can use it from there. Finally, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching my tutorial.